The second question was JPEGs versus RAW. That is a great question. What's the difference between JPEGs and RAW? So raw images, if you're not shooting raw, that's what you should be shooting raw. And I've seen people talking about, I'm afraid to shoot in raw, I don't know, I'm afraid to shoot in raw. I don't know why people are afraid to shoot in raw, right? The only difference that is from raw to JPEG, when you shoot in JPEG, the camera already does some compression on the image, some like a little bit of processing and compression on the images to make it smaller. So in order, when the camera compresses the image, it loses data. It loses data on the highlights, loses data on the shadows. So when you're editing, you don't have the latitude that you usually have if you shoot in RAW. So the beauty of RAW is that you have all the dynamic range, everything's in there for you to work your magic when you are editing. Now there are some cases when you want to shoot JPEG. Let's say if you're shooting an event and you're going to do like a same day slideshow, you're going to play a slideshow at the event, during the event, then you may want to shoot JPEG for that, so you can display the image in JPEG on a big screen. All right, so there are a few instances where you want to shoot JPEG, but most of the time you should be shooting RAW, because the latitude that you have when you shoot RAW is much bigger than what you have when you shoot JPEGs.